Writing reports can take a long time, especially if you teach many students. Let's see how you can use the free Microsoft Word Dictate function to write your reports faster. Although the Microsoft Word Dictate tool can be found in the Word desktop app, there are currently more useful features in the Microsoft Word Online version, including the free version of Microsoft Word Online. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Microsoft Word Online version so you can see the different features available for dictation. Before you use the Dictate function in Microsoft Word, click on the down arrow next to the Dictate icon and select Dictate, and then use the voice command Show Help. Show Help. You will notice Microsoft Word is listening to your voice using the microphone on your device. From here, you can select the language you will be speaking in to help Microsoft Word transcribe, and you will see command list, which includes what you need to say for punctuation, editing, formatting, and much more. Click on the red microphone symbol to stop dictating, or say Stop Dictation. Stop Dictation. You can now move this dictation tool window around the screen if needed. You can bring up some extra options by clicking on the settings icon on this window. You will notice you have the option to enable automatic punctuation here. However, for now, I will leave this disabled. Let's start off by writing our first report. Click on the microphone icon and then start dictating. Sarah should be congratulated on her hard work this term, full stop. She has engaged well with discussions and asked for help when needed, full stop. New line. She produced an excellent presentation on cystic fibrosis, full stop. Stop dictation. Now you can proofread your report and check the spelling, punctuation and grammar. This dictate feature is very useful when reviewing work. First, highlight the section of text you wish to write a comment about. Now start the dictation and use the voice command Add Comment. Add comment. Check this later. Stop dictation. It is worth looking through the dictation help panel for other useful voice commands to speed up your report writing. You can also use these dictation features in the Office mobile app too, and the features should appear in Microsoft Word in a future update for Windows desktop and for iOS apps. Click on one of these videos to enhance your teaching and learning further, and click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when more useful videos are released.